Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control, and there's also some nice safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done just under 17,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.